To enroll in Zelle, start by opening the Wells Fargo website and navigating to the login form on the main page. Enter your username and password. Then click Sign On. For security purposes, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to you via text message. Enter this code and click Continue to access your account dashboard. From here, you can view information about your cash and credit accounts. Select Transfer and Pay from the top horizontal menu, and then choose Send Money with Zelle from the drop-down menu. On the Send Money with Zelle page, click on Manage Payment Profiles. Find the account you want to enroll in Zelle and click on it. You will then receive a 6-digit security code via email or text message. Enter this code and click Register. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to move the address from your other bank. So click Yes if applicable. Next, select the checking account you want to link Zelle to and click Save. Once you've completed these steps, your email will be enrolled in Zelle at Wells Fargo, and payments sent to your email will be automatically deposited into your linked checking account.